392 DOS, back to you with another video. If you haven't liked, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and comment and go ahead and share this video. Give me a thumbs up. So today we're going to be installing an oil catch can. I had one of the 300. It just catches all the oil that, you know, recycles through the engine. If I'm not mistaken, it catches the debris. You don't want to recycle used oil, I should say. So correct me if I'm wrong, but here's the oil catch can for 6.4. Came with everything, got the directions. So for this, I'm going to be needing a 15 mil ratchet and then a screwdriver and pliers. So I have all that, this, and then my pliers are up front. So we're going to move into the video. So first off, we got the bracket. I'm going to be using a crescent wrench. You know, I don't have a 15 mil. Not sure what's that equivalent to. Well, I might have to use some vice grips. Oh, there we go. Got it. So you basically take this bolt / nut off. That's gonna come off. Excuse my allergies. Everyone be flaming me up in the comments talking about, I'm gonna send you some Benadryl, RK. But hey, my allergies were good last night. I just woke up and just got to this, so you know, bear with me. So that goes right there. I want to say, yeah, right there. Put that in there. This one in the 300 was kind of similar. So I honestly wanted to keep the one for the 300, but it was a 5.7, so I don't think it would have worked. But when I opened the package, I was like, it looks similar, but I don't think this is the same one. And you put that in there, obviously. So this will go like that. Will go into there. And next it says, let's see. So you're going to, for instance, remove the factory PCV. Damn it, say I need pliers. Just have them. So the factory PCV is this one. I'm gonna be removing this. I wanna fucking break this shit. Shit, come on. There we go. Don't be afraid to get a little rough with it. There we go. Be afraid to get a little rough with it. So that's off, bam. Go ahead and remove this. Once you remove that, you want to move this elbow over right there. Get some pliers. That slips right in there. Then So what I forgot to do was take this off. Been a little bitch. Oh shit. Hate when you gotta put some elbow grease in it. Okay. Come out, come out. And down. We got cracked the tube. It's Mopar, no car. Good. So this will go into here, right there. Going right back onto here. Damn. Push that all the way on there. So today was just a simple, easy mod, nothing too hard. Just you know, oil catch can, and appreciate y'all watching. Y'all need to like, subscribe, and comment. Give me a thumbs up for this video, and I appreciate y'all subscribing. So I'm at 250 subscribers, and 500 is a giveaway. So y'all throw some comments down there and tell me what y'all want to, you know, what you think I should give away for 500 subs. So oh, this is bad. But thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all another video.